Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device runs iOS 26 and has the image you want. This avoids surprises. Next, open Settings and tap Wallpaper, or go to Photos and select the photo first. Choose the wallpaper type: still for a static look, live for motion, dynamic for subtle movement, or photo shuffle to rotate images automatically. Once you select the image, pinch and drag to frame it. This step determines composition and what appears behind widgets. Now you customize how the wallpaper behaves and looks. You can pinch to zoom and drag to reposition so key subjects aren't obstructed by widgets or the notch. This controls visual focus. Toggle perspective zoom for subtle parallax. Turn it off if motion bothers you. Tap Edit to add color filters, adjust intensity, or place lock screen widgets. Then assign separate appearances for light and dark modes, so the wallpaper adapts to ambient conditions and readability. To finish, tap Set and choose whether the image applies to your lock screen, home screen, or both. If you want rotation, enable Photo Shuffle and set frequency, or link wallpapers to focus modes for context-aware changes. Make sure widgets and text contrast remain legible after applying. If the wallpaper won't save or shows wrong cropping, restart your iPhone, update to the latest iOS 26 patch, or reselect and reframe the image. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.